Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. So this is going to be an updated tutorial in 2025 for the best method to delete this. So first of all, navigate to the TikTok application. After opening the application, you will see videos appearing. So simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be at your profile page where you'll have to click on the three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, you will see these options. From these options, click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom and this will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to click on Activity Center under Content and Display. Click on Activity Center and this will take you to this page. Now, here you'll have to click on Search History option. It will take you to this page where you will see your search history appearing. So, all the searches that you would have done will appear in this field. Simply click on the select icon at the top right of the screen. Now, if you want to delete all the search history, just click on Select All Search History. What you can also do is select individual search history by clicking on the small circle icon at the left of the search history. Now, click on Delete option at the bottom right of the screen and this will show you this message. Click on Delete and this will instantly delete your search history. You can also click on Select All Search History, click on Delete All, click on Delete and all the search history from your Instagram will be instantly deleted. So that is a simple way through which you can delete your TikTok search history. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.